Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a pop-up on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you'll need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have your screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen we have the view post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a pop-up on Blogger. So visit the opt-in monster website and sign in for your account. Of course, you need to go and sign in for that account, and of course follow the instructions. You can design, customize, and everything about your pop-up. Then once you've completed, copy the embed code provided. Then go to left side of the screen on here on Blogger, click on layout. After clicking on layout, you need to go click on add gadget. Then go to HTML and JavaScript. Paste the embed code here from the opt-in monster. Save. Click save changes, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.